Shopify usually happens because of either browser-side issues, network restrictions, or Shopify server hiccups. Let's go step by step to fix it. #1 Quick Checks. Check Shopify's status. Visit status.shopify.com. Please open your app to see this link to see if Shopify services are down. Try another browser or incognito mode. Sometimes extensions or cache cause issues. Switch device network. If it works on mobile data but not Wi-Fi, your ISP firewall may be blocking Shopify. #2 Browser fixes. Clear cache cookies for your Shopify store domain. Disable ad blockers, VPN, or privacy extensions. They can block Shopify scripts. Update your browser to the latest version. #3 Network fixes. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Flush DNS cache. Windows, open command prompt, ipconfig flush DNS. Mac, sudo kill-all-hup mdns responder. Change DNS to Google DNS 8.8.8.8, 8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.11.1. #4 Shopify store issues. If you're the store owner, check if the theme code has errors, especially in theme.liquid. Disable recently added apps and test again. If the error appears only on certain pages, e.g. product or checkout, one of your apps or custom scripts may be breaking the page. 5 Advanced fix. Use Shopify admin, online store, themes, actions, edit code, check recent changes. In Developer Console, press F12 Console tab, see if errors like 403, 429, or 503 appear. If you see 4429 too many requests, Shopify is rate limiting your store, too many requests at once. Wait or reduce API app calls. If none of the above works, contact Shopify support 24/7 chat email with your store URL, screenshot of error, browser's device details.